Recording.
Okay.
I hope it's recording our voice, I don't know. I done forgot it how to use it.
Well, check it on your phone.
I won't be able to hear it.
Why not?
Because it just shows a live picture. Zip your phone up in your pocket before it falls out.
Okay. What are we doing?
I'm just gonna practice going up this hill. So, a little bit of clutch out, a little bit of gas.
Here, one. Nope, gas.
Alright, now put your right foot up. Put your right foot up on the brake.
Brake. Way up there.
Yeah. Now slowly let the clutch out till you feel the bike start to bog.
It's foggy.
Let go of the brake. And then roll out with a little bit of throttle and a little bit of clutch. Make sure there's no traffic coming. I guess let's just go left, and left, go left, and then come back down into the driveway and we'll do it again. You're just gonna tiptoe the whole way?
I just wanted to turn the corner.
Well, now we're in the middle of the road.
My fan came on.
Yep. Pick your feet up. There you go.
Are we going back down the driveway?
Yep.
I have all the blinkers on.
Yes.
Whoa!
Why are you honking? Ain't nobody here.
My hands are cold.
I got my warmers on.
That's nice.
Let me get out of the way.
No. No, don't move.
Oh, I need to turn around too.
Check out my turning radius.
I think it's...
I'm stuck in the grass. Oh, man. Back and back and back. Yeah. Yay. Wait, I'm not...
Don't turn it that much, babe.
Why?
Because that's what's going to cause you to get off balance.
So much effort. Not go back in the grass.
Alright, this time I want you to start like right here. Oh man.
What? You out of gas?
No, my heater.
Your heater.
My heater control box is moving. Alright, stop. Alright, so kick it down to first.
I'm in first.
Okay. You got your foot on the brake. Go ahead, go up. Just let the clutch out, accelerate all the way like you're at a traffic light.
I don't know how to traffic light yet. I can barely drive way. Go back around.
Yeah.
Alright, yelling.
I didn't yell at all. And try to stay on one side of the road. You keep cutting over it. Look.
There's a child. We're doomed.
Babe.
What?
Over to the left a little.
The left?
Yep. There you go. That's where you're supposed to ride. When there's two of us. And the speed limit's 25.
I can't go 25 yet. Should I shift?
No, we should just stay in first. Babe,
What?
look where you are on the road.
I have to
You're
go
running.
around this truck.
You're running me right into the truck.
I'm on the left side.
Now you
Freak
are.
out. Well, don't ride next to me then, because we're going to crash.
We're still not doing 25.
Just trying to avoid obstacles on the road. Oh, great. Now it's stop sign.
Alright, we're gonna go left.
Is that straight left?
No,
or...
that's left. We're relieving Larch.
Well, let me turn on my blinker then. We're going to turn left. Okay. Oh, too much.
Around the roundabout back towards home.
Oh, there's a roundabout. Wow, this is too much.
No gas.
I didn't do it on purpose.
Don't yell at me. Time to put your big girl pants on.
Well, give me room, because I got a roundabout.
I'm giving you room.
Whoa. Straight, right?
Straight.
Why are we going straight?
So I said it's time to put your big girl pants on.
I'm not getting on the real road.
Yep.
No.
We're just gonna go right.
It's too fast, Adam.
Babe, the speed has nothing to do with it.
Yes, I don't know car was going 50 miles an hour yet.
You'll be fine. Just trust me. Go right.
I'm going too slow.
Yes, we are. You're doing fine. There's no one behind us.
There are cars
Nope. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, but I'm doing 40 and a 50. That's impeding traffic.
Oh, press the throttle a little bit more.
Ah. Too fast. I don't want to go fast. Where's my cruise control?
Your right wrist.
Oh no, we have to slow down.
Make sure you downshift. Go in the left turn lane. Oh my goodness. Alright, when you see a road you're comfortable with turning in to turn around, go for it. Alright, slow down. Just pull your clutch in and hold, and just let the bike roll down. There you go. Let me go ahead and turn around.
I don't know where to turn around at.
Right there.
Right where?
Just turn left. Slow. Put your feet down. Hit your brakes. And they're backing up.
Can't feel my fingers.
They're squeezing the handlebars too hard.
Stressing me out.
I'm not doing nothing.
Ugh. I've been on a bike 5 minutes. You're telling me to go 50 miles an hour.
And did you do it?
I did, but I was terrified.
You don't need to be terrified.
I don't even know how to do other controls yet.
There's nothing more to it. You know the gas, you know the brake.
Okay, I still need to learn throttle control because obviously
Well, you're not going to learn it going 5 miles an hour around the neighborhood because you're not actually using the throttle. The bike's just idling.
Alright, well I need to stop for a second. Glasses are fogged up. Can't feel my hand.
They're squeezing the throttle too hard. Or the handlebars. Oh, let's head back to the house and put them up for now.
Okay.
It's on camera.
Oh, well, glad we have proof.
And I'm posting it. So people can see how crazy you are.
This is the least of it.
Yeah, right.
Least? This is the most of it? Is
Yep.
that better? This is the most crazy I get?
No.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so, right?
Yep.
I don't know how to get home.
I'll tell you.
I bet you will.
I will. And then you're going to complain about it.
Why?
Because that's what you do when I try to tell you to do something. Turn your hazards off.
I can.
I was! I was turning it off, even though both of my hands are nowhere near it.
Ah.
Alright, so that's the stop sign. I was going to the stop sign! That's what I was doing!
Whoa, too fast. 7-0. 9-2.
Just leave it in 1.
1?
Or, well, if you already shifted in 2, leave it in 2. Because now it's going to bog to get up this hill, but you'll be fine.
sorry I'm taking up your lane.
I'm not worried about it. Just want you to be comfortable.
I gotta relax my shoulders.
You gotta relax your whole body.
Oh, I can't do that because then I let go of the gas.
Alright, slow turn. Are you in 1 or 2? 2. Okay. The bike makes its own noise, babe.
That was more fun if I do it like I'm in a motorbike game. Oh, stop sign! Straight?
Yep,
Wait.
straight.
Wait.
We have to stop first, but then straight.
Stop, red car! There's not a turn lane here, is there?
You kind of have to go in the center lane. So turn your left blinker on.
Right now?
Yep. See the little center lane there? Little pocket. Just kind of go in there.
Go for it. Blinker.
He's playing Pokemon.
Blinker.
Just let it ride.
Uh-oh.
Just turn your blinker on, let them know we're getting over there.
Sorry! Sorry!
Where are you going?
I'm just sitting here for a minute.
Yeah, but how are you going to make that left turn now?
Oh, first I gotta turn off the speaker. I gotta back up. I didn't want to hit him. I want to back up.
Back up!
Well, I can't. There's a drain.
Yeah, this is not a good situation for you.
Right? I'll check the camera. We're going all the way in.
Yeah, just go straight.
Cannon. Where's my paper can?
They must be out there hunting. See how nervous he is?
Cannon, what's wrong, buddy?
Alright, turn the camera off.
Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.
Oh yeah, it was a blast.